You teaching Wormy how to walk?
Yes, Daddy.
All right. Go, Wormy. Good job, Star. Good job.
You get bigger, Faso. You can run and run to the parking because us, Denny, we can play.
Be careful. Remember, don't go too fast. Wormy's gonna get tired.
I'm not. Me too. I'm gonna get tired too, Daddy. Phew. I'm getting tired.
You can stop if you want. And see if Wormy wants to stop, because she can't stop by herself. She'll just fall down. Oh, she done. Oh, she got back up.
She got back up. This is how you walk. I'm gonna show Mommy how to walk. Okay, Mommy?
Good job teaching your sister how to walk. You want to go to the playground with her, don't you?
Yes, I do.
So she knows how to walk faster.
She needs to walk fast and super fast. Like I do. I go super fast, Daddy.
Yep, she will.
I will.
She'll be a year old next week.
I know. I don't want to go play in the park. Hide and seek.
Oh, Wormy fell.
You can't chase me. Whee! Chicka 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 chicka. Chicka 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 chicka. Chicka chicka. Chicka chicka chicka. Woo woo! Chicka chicka chicka. Woo woo! Chicka chicka. Woo woo! Chicka chicka chicka. Woo woo!
You're tired. Oh, be careful, Ma. Wormy just wants to play with you, sweetie.